Now this question is slightly lengthy, a little complex, so you have to be a little slow while solving this one. Okay. Now write each and everything carefully, each and every ratio carefully, because it is very easy to commit a mistake in such a question, right? So let's begin. So first of all, Satish made a spirit solution where the ratio of spirit and water was 5:7. So I'll assume the quantity of spirit as 5A and the quantity of water as 7A to begin with. Okay, तो यहां से हमने begin किया. Now in the question it is given that the rate of evaporation of spirit is 40% that of water. So if I'll assume the rate of evaporation of water as 5B, so the rate of evaporation of spirit will be 40% less than 5, that is 3B. Okay, right? So the first is the initial quantity of spirit and water, and the second portion, this is the rate of evaporation, right? Now, the question is telling us that when the solution is heated for 3 by 5 minutes, 3 by 5 minutes, that is 5 into 3 15 plus 3 18, 18 upon 5 minutes, then the ratio of spirit and water, it reversed. So originally the ratio was 5:7. Now after heating it for 18 by 5 minutes, when some spirit and some water must have evaporated, so the ratio has now reversed. That means it has become 7:5. Okay, so let's calculate the new quantity of spirit after evaporation as well as new quantity of water after evaporation. So the quantity of spirit initially was 5A, and in these 18 by 5 minutes, 18 upon 5 multiplied by 3B, this much quantity must have evaporated. Similarly for water, whose initial quantity was 7A, in these 18 by 5 minutes, some quantity must have evaporated, so this will be the final quantity of water. The ratio I can equate it to 7 upon 5 because the ratio got reversed. Okay, now doing cross multiplication, so इस 5 को मैं left side में multiply कर देता हूँ, so it will be 25a minus 18 into 3 is 54b will be equal to 7 into 7 49a, 5 will get cancelled, so 18 into 7 70 and 56 minus 126b. So from here 24a is equal to 72b, or a upon b comes out to be 3 upon 1. So this is the relation between a and b that I have obtained. Okay, so this is the first part. I got the relation between a and b. Okay, now the next is they're asking find the extra time the solution is heated after reaching 50% concentration. So I'll try to find out how much time the solution will take, or how much time for the solution to be heated to reach the concentration of 50 percentage. That means the ratio of spirit and water, I need 1:1. So I'll use the same thing the way I have done here. So now I'll assume that the solution takes n n minutes to reach 1:1 concentration. So originally spirit was 5A minus, it is heated for n minutes. The rate of evaporation for spirit is 3B. Similarly, doing it for water, 7A minus n into 5B. And I can equate it to 1 upon 1. Okay? Do cross multiplication. I'll get 5A minus 3NB is equal to 7A minus 5NB. So that is 2A is equal to 2NB. So N is equal to A upon B. The value of A upon B is 3. So 3 minutes is taken. So I've taken a total of 3 minutes, right? At this point in time, right? So earlier the solution was heated for 3 by 5 minutes. And now to reach 50% concentration, it has been heated for 3 minutes. So the extra time will be equal to 3 by 5 minutes. All right. Now I want the time in seconds. So I'll multiply 3 by 5 by 60. So it will be 36 seconds. So the solution is heated for an extra of 36 seconds after it has reached a concentration of 50 percentage. Okay, so the answer should be 36 seconds, and yes, it is the correct answer.